This is Ed Hill, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee, 901-359-4165. I'm at a job site in the Davies Manor area of Bartlett. We're working on the Cheeseman home. The way we got their job is they were so impressed with the Lapine job right on the corner next door. They referred them. We got the Cheeseman's business, and then right up here through the woods, you can't really see the house from here, is the West home. They stopped the day that I did the Lapine home on the corner, and we ended up doing their roof too. Hey, here's my point. When you do quality work, neighbors are not afraid to refer you to their neighbors. This is not one of the legendary free roofs. This is a quality roof job, my buddy. So if you want one of those, call me. Ed Hill, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee, 901-359-4165, and Google John 3:16.